Wow, this condo checks all the boxes: views, location, privacy, and lifestyle. Hi, I'm Micaela Polimeni, a real estate agent with Tanya Chemsian Properties. And if you're thinking about moving to Puerto Vallarta, you should work with someone who knows the experience from first hand. Located in Alta Vista, just minutes from Zona Romantica, this property is surrounded with nature and designed to offer an unforgettable living experience. Situated on the 4th floor, this luxury penthouse features 3 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, high-end finishes, and a stunning terrace with panoramic views of the ocean and the entire bay. And the cherry on top, this amazing rooftop with a pool, panoramic views to the mountain and the ocean. The perfect space to relax and connect with nature. If you're interested in more details about this property, contact me today at micaela@tanyachensian.com. I would love to help you find your perfect place to start writing your new chapter in Mexico.